Hello everyone, it's Elijah over here at Veurink's RV Center, touring yet another amazing RV that we feature here. This is the 295 Keystone Hideout fifth wheel. Now this is going to feature two very large double over double bunks, one large super slide, and then again you'll have a front private master bedroom. This unit here weighs 8,400 pounds. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always call or text me at the number below, which is 616-965-9603. So let's get started showing off some of these amazing features on the Hideout. Starting out in the back of the 295, I want to show you the two double over double bunks. These also feature teddy bear mattresses, very comfortable to sleep on. It also gives you a private pocket door. So really nice there. A large wardrobe space, even more space below for hanging shoes, anything like that you wanted to put it away. Integrated two drawers into that first step as well. Lots of usable space inside. Inside the 295 single slide, you're gonna have your 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. Moving over to your kitchen area, you're gonna have your new seamless countertops, beautiful high-rise faucet, even adjustable. And then you have your deep farm style stainless steel sink. Lots of cabinet space, more usable space below. New glass inlet doors, beautiful new look to that. The new Furrion cooktop stove, love this. Doubles up as a backsplash, fold it right away. Make sure you have a simple, easy cleanup process. Then you'll have plenty of overhead cabinets as well. More usable space. But the main thing about this, check this TV out. I mean, a 50-inch TV inside of a camper, who would have thought? But this thing is slick. All LED, we'll have a backlight back there as well. And then you have additional counter space, more room to use, whatever you need to have, bring along with you. Lots of cabinet space below as well. And then the Hideout features a central vac system. Now this is a hose attachment that you'll actually be able to reach the majority of the way all the way around the fifth wheel to make sure you clean up. Simple, easy process, empty the bag and you're all done. Right across the way from your kitchen, again in that super slide, you're gonna have your dinette area. Now this is, of course, a great area to relax, enjoy the meals, watch the big game. This will actually collapse down as well. So besides those two big bunks in the back, collapse this down, you have another sleeping solution. Simple, easy process. I do want to point out the fact that the 295 has a boatload of windows throughout. And again, LED lights. So this thing is loaded to the nines. And yet another great area to relax, hang out at. This is a tri-fold sofa. So this will actually pull right out. You have another area for little ones or even adults to sleep on it very comfortably. Showing off the bathroom on the 295, you'll notice you have a glass triple door system. The shower is going to feature a seat as well. Now this will have a 6-gallon hot water heater, along with a beautiful medicine cabinet and a nice size sink, along with additional storage underneath the sink. As you move over, you're gonna see the foot flush porcelain toilet. Making your way into the master bedroom, you're gonna see your 60 by 80 residential queen mattress with a nightstand on one side, 3 overhead cabinets with a beautiful new glass inlet doors. Now at the foot of the bed, Hideout built in a 3-drawer dresser for you with full extension, giving you ample space here for all of your belongings. And then you have a nice deep area here for any alarm clocks, cell phones, along with the TV backer, so that way it'll allow you to put a TV right here, no problem. And now that big wardrobe right here for you at your fingertips. Well, I want to thank you for your time as we toured the all-new 2019 Keystone Hideout 295BHS. I know that there are some questions and concerns that I probably couldn't touch on right away, so I encourage you to either call or text me at 616-965-9603. And like always, make sure you come see E at Veurink's RV. We'll see you soon.